The accidental discovery of penicillin. In 1928, a forgotten petri dish in a messy laboratory would change the course of history. The dish, abandoned and left to gather dust, seemed no more than a minor mistake in the rush of scientific work. But fate had different plans. The scientist behind it, Alexander Fleming, was a man accustomed to mistakes. He had been studying bacteria, trying to understand how infections spread, but never expecting this discovery. One day, as he returned to his lab, he noticed something strange. One of the petri dishes had mold growing in it, but not just any mold. The area around it was clear, as though the mold had killed everything nearby. It was an odd sight, something out of place in his otherwise routine research. Curious, he investigated further, realizing that the mold was not just an accident, it was doing something extraordinary. It was killing the bacteria surrounding it. Fleming had stumbled upon the first antibiotic, penicillin. He hadn't been looking for it, but the mold's ability to fight infections was undeniable. At first, he wasn't sure what to make of it. After all, it was an accident, a fluke. But as he studied it more, he realized that what he had discovered was something far more significant than any other find in his career. This mold, now called Penicillium, had the power to save lives by curing infections that once were fatal. But the discovery didn't change the world overnight. It took years of work and a dedicated team of researchers to bring penicillin into the hands of doctors. But when it did, it revolutionized medicine, turning deadly diseases into manageable conditions and sparing millions of lives. Today, penicillin is one of the most widely used antibiotics, and it all began with a forgotten petri dish. It's a reminder that sometimes the greatest discoveries are the ones we don't set out to make. Help the channel grow by liking, sharing, and subscribing.